Welcome to a definitive, feature-by-feature visual review of an Australian motoring icon, the Holden Commodore VT Series Ute, presented in all its Victory Red glory within the pristine, minimalist confines of our white studio. We start with its most recognizable angle, the front three-quarter view, where the car's bold VT Commodore lineage is immediately established through its assertive, chrome-detailed grille, the distinctive twin headlight clusters, and the sloping bonnet line, all finished in that deep, reflective red paint that perfectly mirrors the studio's glossy white floor, with the number plate Commo VT sitting proudly as its identifier. Moving seamlessly along its flank, the pure side profile reveals the Ute's unique and iconic silhouette, a masterful compromise where the sleek, aerodynamic passenger cabin dramatically transitions into the purposeful, open cargo bed, a design that became synonymous with Australian versatility, its long, straight character line emphasizing utility while the flawless paint captures the soft, ambient studio light. From the rear three-quarter perspective, the vehicle's work-ready character takes center stage. Here, the robust tailgate, practical rear step bumper, and large, rectangular light clusters define a no-nonsense aesthetic, the entire rear section built for load-bearing honesty, yet the lustrous Victory Red finish elevates it to something more in this clinical space. Confronting it head-on, the direct frontal view reinforces its substantial road presence, the full width of the bonnet, the symmetry of the front-end assembly, and the commanding grille all project an image of solid confidence. In stark contrast, the direct rear view presents a philosophy of pure function, a large, flat tailgate surface and a bumper designed for utility, a straightforward and honest conclusion to the vehicle's form. Now, we step inside, first viewing the cockpit from the open driver's door. This reveals a time capsule interior where the driver-focused dashboard sweeps forward, housing clear analog instruments, a classic three-spoke steering wheel, and a center console with period-correct controls, all trimmed in durable, tactile grey cloth that defined an era of practical Australian motoring, softly lit by the diffused studio glow. A step back to view the driver's area from outside the door frames this understated grey interior against a bold slice of the vibrant red exterior, a perfect visual metaphor for the Ute's dual identity, bold and expressive on the outside, practical and familiar within. And at the very heart of that identity is the cargo bed, showcased here with the tailgate lowered. This rear side angle emphasizes the load area's generous size, textured liner, and robust construction, an empty canvas ready for anything from work gear to weekend adventure equipment. To understand the power behind this versatility, we lift the bonnet to reveal the engine bay, where the reliable V6 power plant sits as a clean, orderly network of cast components, hoses, and wiring, the mechanical heart of the vehicle presented in detailed clarity. Zooming in on a finer detail, a close-up of a front alloy wheel reveals its simple spoke design, the specific tire tread, and a glimpse of the red brake caliper, elements that combine style with substance. Even closer, the intricate glass and reflector assembly of the front headlight becomes a complex piece of automotive sculpture, while a similar study of the rear light cluster highlights its robust, functional design. To appreciate its solid foundation, we look underneath from a low front angle, revealing key elements of the underbody structure, suspension, and exhaust manifold components critical to its drive and durability. A corresponding low rear view showcases the hardy rear axle, leaf springs, and muffler, the traditional underpinnings built for load-bearing resilience. Returning to the interior's functional core, we focus on the center console, home to the automatic shifter and manual handbrake controls that are satisfyingly physical and direct. From the essential driver's perspective, the steering wheel frames the clear, analog instrument cluster, an interface of perfect readability. The door panel exemplifies straightforward ergonomics, integrating the armrest, window switches, and pull handle into a single, cohesive unit trimmed in durable fabric. A tight, reverent shot then isolates the iconic Holden lion emblem on the grille, a proud symbol of heritage. Widening our view from within, a look from the rear seats forward captures the entire cabin space, the seats, full dashboard, and windscreen framing the bright studio beyond a functional and familiar environment. Finally, we conclude with a wide, establishing master shot. The complete Holden Commodore VT Ute sits majestically centered in the vast white studio, its Victory Red paint glowing under even light, its form a perfect, silent summary of an era, a comfortable, capable car unapologetically fused with a practical work tray, a legend now fully detailed in this comprehensive visual narrative. Thank you for joining us.